everyone, Miss Toby here, and I'm going to show you how to hyperlink your exemplary class projects and papers into your Gateway 1 rubric. So here I have the Gateway 1 rubric open, and I'm going to scroll down below where it says GPA, and I get to the section where it says exemplary class projects and papers. So you have to have 2 projects and 2 papers that you hyperlink in here. They are both from class, so work that you've already done. You need to look in gradebook for grades that are above a 73%. So if you get from a 73% to a 79%, that paper works. You just have to write a reflection. So the reflection would be between 150 to 200 words, and it would include why you received the score you did and how you can improve it for the next project. And that reflection you'd just put here. Now, if you got an 80% or higher, you do not have to write a reflection. And again, when you're looking through your gradebook, find the highest percentages possible to avoid having to write a reflection, but also the higher the percent you got on the project and paper, the higher the score you'll get later on in this rubric. So a couple of things to keep in mind. Now I'm going to go on over to the hack so that I can figure out which projects and papers I'm going to hyperlink into my Gateway checklist. All right, now I have gradebook open and I'm going to use my advisee, Caitlin, for an example. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and find a project that she has done. And I know you did one in science last quarter, so I'll scroll down to that and I'm going to click on the motion unit project poster. And I can see here that Caitlin got a 23.5 out of 25. If you're not sure what that is as a percentage, you can just go over to Google, type that in. So it's the number of points you got divided by the total points, and she got a 94%. So this is a great project for her to use. So we'll go back here to our hack, and we're going to take a screenshot. I'm going to click on this to bring it open in my files. And then I'm going to add it to my Google Drive. And you'll get a little notification here that says it's copied to your drive. All right, guys, so here's my screenshot, and this part's really important. You need to click these 3 dots at the top and click Share. Now, if we don't do these steps, your panelist won't be able to see what your image looks like, so make sure you are following this carefully. Okay, so here at the bottom, it says Change Link to Dayton Early College. You want to click on this, so that means anybody with a Dayton Early College email can access this. And then I'm going to click Copy Link. Okay, now that I've copied my link, I am going to come back to my Gateway checklist and I'll click Insert Link. And I'm going to paste that link here. And then what your hyperlink should be called is your last name and your first name, and then Project Rubric 1. And then I'll press Apply. Now, if it is your project, your second one, you'd put Project Rubric 2, your paper, you'd put Paper Rubric 1, and so forth. And I'll just delete this out of here. And I'm good to go. So I have a nice hyperlink here. So if I would click on that, you can see the screenshot right below. And that is what you need to do, like I said, for the second project, and then each of your papers here below.